pot pickers, as you can probably tell. We've got the big guns out today. You've got right away, mate, so why the fuck are you stopping? Can you tell I've got the arsehole? There's been loads of work done to this bike. Valve shims have been checked. The carbs have been stripped and cleaned. The alarm's shat itself. So, it's all been sorted. Get it out this morning to take it for an MOT. What happens? The rev counter's doing its dance to indicate that there's something wrong. It's running like a piece of shit. It's misfiring. So I thought if I could make it to the bike shop for an MOT, all good. We'll see what happens from there. This bloke in front's doing my fucking tits in and I've got the right arse. So, that's where we're at today. Happy Friday, everybody. And I might have just rolled past that fucking speed camera too quick. Bollocks. Something else to look forward to. It still goes alright. Fuck me. Really? Fucking swerve over on me, you bitch. Your fucking car ain't fucking quick enough, so don't even bother. I'm having a shitty day. Yeah, fuck you too. Dickhead. Oh, come on. Fuck's sake. Fucking motorbikes.
Fucking YAMAHA.
Fucking motorbikes. Well, it passed, which is good. The day's looking up. I was going to go home the long way, but I can't because it's not showing up on the DVLA system yet, so it's still torn. So I should just go and put a bit of petrol in and then take it home. That little clear out seems to have sorted out the little issue. So I'll take it back. You're alright, Betsy, don't worry. I won't burn you tonight. So, coming up, got the rest of mine and Paul's byway ride. It's going to take a while to edit because as you've probably seen in part 1, there's about 3 camera views to sort of pick the best bit from, or the best view. So yeah, editing's taking a long time, but I'll get there. So you think it's bad sitting behind cars on a little 125, it's even worse on this. I think I'm in 2nd gear or something. Brakes are good on this. Forgotten what this was like. Alright, let's see how many people are doing their shopping and left their cars at the pay-as-you bloody wait. Left their car at the pump while they go and do their fucking shopping. Ah, none. Hello. I should go straight home, but I just want to get a leg stretched a bit. See, instant go. When this first come out, they said, apart from being a widowmaker, what you lose on the corners you can make up on the straight, like that. Forgot what this was like. Certainly different to the little 125. The 350 is just a different kind of fun. I'm not going to go loony because, like I say, it's not been online yet, so I cannot do it. So we're just going to scooch round the old roundabout here and then back. I forgot how to corner as well. It's not killing me too much yet. Let's see who cuts me up around this roundabout. Right, this does. Let's put it in second. 0 to 60 in about... 0 to 60 in, I'm about to fucking find out. That much. Thankfully the brakes work as well. It goes all right. Wow, we got one of them breakers. What's up, mate? Am I too close? Let me go past. Alright, I'm gonna go down through my little mini race. Oh fuck! I was gonna go down through my little mini racetrack. Tommy Tarmac is going down here too. Right, it's time to go home for a spot of lunch. Little wheelie there. Right, going home. There's nothing happening up here because we're stuck behind Tommy Tarmacker and all the cars. Don't forget, keep your eyes open for the upcoming byway videos. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Leave your comments. Do a thumbs up or thumbs down. And don't forget, get the YouTube app, go to settings and turn on notifications. I'm going home. Take it easy everybody. Stay safe. Laters.